Kani kadai ka Dudashan Meghalaya, but ni priang snobhai pisha kani ka thup kubor manta ka janmit. Barashwa bangin pai ki kubor ki babnya ngin ya petchwai ki mat ba kongsan. Penlut ke Sarkar Palat Arkulur tingkah haki program bala penlong hataj vivanta bat Hotel Courtyard by Marriott om umintru rang ba ka jela ukong rat sangma. Ka Sarkar kanyai ai jingkershan ya ki District Council Henry Kamla man Shimpura ya ka Kamram man ai ya ki Tulop om umintru rang ba ka jela. Ka jingtmu ban bu ya ka tnat kulit penlip ding ha mau ni keneng kadang ya chakmat om usembut menteri rang ba ka jela. Yoklum ka Sarkar ya ka khajna ka balong iway point south klur tingka na ka Cherry Blossom Festival pentip menteri ka tnat dikam jmo ka perthai. Bat on yele ka Sarkar ban ai ya ki jaka ajing sumar ki babiang ha bhat bari CHC ong ka menteri ka tnat dapat ka kia. Kubor ki bamnia menteri rang ba ka jela u konrad sangma henne ka sngi ula pentip bala penlong ya ki apply teli ki program da ka Sarkar jela hataj vivanta bot Hotel Courtyard ba Marriott nadu bala play ya ki habo jubab ya ka jingkili bala keli da unong thau an ibat bantai dor lengdo ha dorbar mangtingka jong ka yeng dorbar thau an ka jela menteri rang ba ka jela ulo ong ba ka bailut baisep baro ba ka Sarkar kalasiu na ka bentaki program ki bala penlong ha ki te ki hotel kalong arklur khatlai lak khandai pun riu hajar tingka shu usang ma ulo ong ba ka Sarkar kala de penlut kumbah riu fuar point sau nyok lak tingka ha ka jing penlong ya ka jingelang G20 ha Hotel Courtyard by Marriott ha Shillong.
Answer B, so it's a total around 2 crore 13 lakhs 96,000 rupees, which I think 22 program has been hosted. Do the government, they plan to do program only in this two hotel? Or?
Out of the 2 crores that was spent, close to 65 lakhs was only for the G20 summit. 52.47 was spent only on the G20 summit. So the others are slightly lesser. It's not 10, it's less than 10, depending on the number of guests and the program and the number of days the program was held. So based on the program and based on the scale, based on the needs, we choose the location. So there is no rule as such that only these 2 locations will be chosen.
Menteri rang ba ka jela u konrad sangma henne kesngi ulo ong ba ka Sarkar jela kan yai kershan ya ki District Council hinrai ka de ka Kamram ka ba hakmat e jongki Autonomous District Council ban khmi hi ya ka pisa ka pilan jongki menteri rang ba ka jela ulo ong ya ka ne na ka jingkeli ka ba mi halor ka jingdawa na ka Sarkar ka balam khmat da ka seng NPP ban penlat mardor ya ki tulop ki badang sateng jongki nongtrei ka GHADC usang maulo ong ba ka Sarkar jela ka don ban yarap bat kershan ya ki Autonomous District Council hinrai kam lapat ban shimti pura ya ka Kamram ban ay ya ki tulop.
So government has been supporting in every way possible, but as I said, the primary responsibility lies with the autonomous councils because they are autonomous in nature and they have to take care of their own finances and their own reforms and other steps and administer themselves independently. Therefore, we are obviously there to help and support, but we cannot take full responsibility of giving the salary. But we are trying to find ways and means in which we can figure out if there's some way to further support them. The matter is being examined.
Sembut menteri rang ba ka jela ubadai kmi ia katanat kampo yeng polis iba Preston Tensong hene kasngi ila pentip ha ka yeng dorbar ba ka jingtmu ban bu ia katanat penlip ding ha maureng keneng kadang ya chat habo jubab ha ka kenta keli jingkeli iba Tensong ila ong batang syudap IT ya ka jaka sya katanat pulit ka jing pentrai ya ka yeng kan sedang no mardor. Ilaong ba on sa pendepsyen ya ka jing penyo ya ka jaka klem kanu ka jing ekut bat kitrai jaka.
reason is because of the land acquisition process. It takes a lot of time. And of course, now I'm happy to inform the honourable member that the land acquisition process is almost completed. Now we are in the stage of notification 19.1, section 19.1, and thereafter, maximum after 2 or 3 months, the land can be taken over by the government for necessary infrastructure creation over there.
Menteri Badai Kemi ya katnat kikam jengok kai perthai iba poling do hene kasngi ilo ong baki don baro apu ar hajar khandai spa khandai puengut kinong wan jengok kai perthai kibalawan bane shimbenta haka cherry blossom festival menchem snem Haba jubab ya ka jingkeli jong MLA ka seng VPP na not Shillong iba Adelbert Nongrum menteri uloong babaro kinong wan jengok kai perthai kibalasa ha Vivanta Marriott bat rikenjai kidon Syahjar aspa handrup khandai ngun kinong wan jengok kai perthai kibasa ha ki weipat ki hotel kidon khat san hajar arspa san ngut kat bah handriu hajar san spa khat nyongut kibalasa ha ki homestay Ilo ong syuk babaro kapisa kabalayo lum kum ka khajna na baro ki hotel ha ka jela ha ubenai naiwing ar hajar apulai kalong iway point saw klor tingka kat baki khajna ki balayo lum na ki benai ki bahshwa jong benai risau kalong iway point laipun riu klor tingka.
Total number of tourists in premium category accommodation was 1,000 speakers, 22,991 tourists attended the Cherry Blossom Festival 2023. The total number of tourists in premium category accommodation was 1,269, including Vivanta, Marriott, Rikenjai. Number of tourists in mid-range hotels was 15,205. So the total tax revenue generated for all hotels in the state for November 2023 was 1.44 crore. The comparative tax revenue figure for the earlier month of October amounts to rupees 1.36 crore.
Ka Menteri Ketenat Kekuat Kekia Dr. M. Amperin Lingdo ilo ong ba ka sorkar ketemu ban penyo ya ke X-ray bat USG ha bhat bari CHC Hashwa ban kut usnem ar hajar ar pusau. Ha bajubab ya ke jingkeli ke belakeli da MLA ke seng TMC ubana Raja Bala u Dr. Mizanur Rahman Khasi ne ke sengi Dr. Lingdo ilo ong bala ai jinghikai ki doktor da ke jingerap jong ka sorkar Tamil Nadu ban le ya ke ultrasound sonography. Ilaya thu shu ba ka ne ka CHC kam don ya ki X-ray machine, USG machine, bat ya ka CT scan machine, nakadaw ka jingbam don ya ki doktor ki balatebet ban pendon kam ya ki tay ki tiar.
Question 85A, no sir. B, sir, due to non-availability of trained doctors to operate and handle the equipments. Sir, due to non-availability of trained doctors to operate and handle the equipments. C, yes sir, government is committed to have X-ray and USG within the end of 2024. Doctors are currently being trained with the help of the government of Tamil Nadu for doing ultrasound sonography, sir.
Menteri Badai Kemi ya Ketenat General Administration ke Jela Meghalaya o rakam e sangma hene kesngi ulo ong ba hadu menta ki don nyau teli ki flat na ke benta ban ai jakasa ye ki nong shnong ke Jela ha Velor Meghalaya House kat ba ha Guwahati ki don khat san teli ki kamera. Haba jubab ya ke jingkeli ha ke dorbar mang tingka jong ke yeng dorbar ke Jela menteri ulo ong ba ki don ki officer on special duty ha ki Meghalaya House ki bedon ha Guwahati bat Velor. Kinong tray ki bedon ha Guwahati ki long uway officer bat arpulai ngut. Kat ba ha Velor pat ki don uway officer bat arngut kinong tray. Ulaya thu shu ba ka sorkar ka dep thong ya u joint resident commissioner ha ka Meghalaya House ka badon ha Kolkata but ya u additional resident commissioner ha Meghalaya House Mumbai.
Sir, reply of question number 84 A, sir. No, sir. B, sir, the government has appointed a joint President Commissioner at Meghalaya House, Calcutta, and an additional President Commissioner at Meghalaya House, Mumbai. C, sir, there is an officer on special duty at Meghalaya House, Guwahati, an officer on special duty at Meghalaya House, Belgaum. D, sir, the total number of officers and staff as follows: Guwahati, 1 officer and 23 staff, and Belgaum, 1 officer and 2 staff. Sir, E, the total number of rooms in Meghalaya House, Belgaum and Guwahati are as follows: Guwahati 15 rooms and Belgaum 7 flats.
U MLA ka VPP iba Adelbert Nongrum ila IT ya ka jing ujor ka pen ken ya ka hok persya ya ka rai jong ulam phang ka yeng u Thomas A Sangma u bala kentaj ban yatai halor ka kaipot CAG. U Thomas wala ong ru baladami ka jing artatin ha ka baydai bat ka jing pen sngo ya ki kendon jong ka yeng dor bar thawan ka rai jong ulam phang kan long ka bakaddu. Iba Adelbert ila IT ru minta kasngi ya ka jing ujor ka bapen ken ya ka hok persya ya ka rai jong lampang ubam ailat setia ban yathir halo ka kaipot jong u Comptroller Auditor General ka India CAG halor kisnat trekam jong ka social but economic ha ka life way tarik ulber arhajar arpuar bat kedo bayakan ka an la kentaj. Ki pulit ka West Khasi Hills District hinden kasngi kila IT ya ka khusnam sya ka shnong te saw na ka benta ka jingshlur jongki ban kem ya unong penyap breu. La sam ya ka ni ka khusnam da USP UBD Marak sya urang ba shnong uba moonshine dakhar. Ban itu ya ka kam jongki ha ka ban buat dien bat yo kem ya uni usuba nong penyap ya la ka lok barim. Kipulit kila ay jingero ya kinong shnong na kabenta ka jingshlur bat ka jingya trelang ka bapin i ya ka nuksa ka babha syakiwe bat kenturu ya ki bat kim day ban shim ya ka bor halaki ktila jong henry ki day ban IT syakaan. Na ka daw ka jingbam khoj ka rukom penmi ya ki marbam na ka benta ki pajba ka assistant commissionerate ka food safety henen kasngi kala penlong ya ka food stack training halor ka food safety aspects and quality control ha PHE hall Mairang Eastern West Khasi Hills kane ka program ka ajing hikai ka kani ka program ay jing hikai ka thmu ban hikai ya ki nong shong shnong bat ki karkhana penmi marbam halor ka rukom penmi marbam ka bakhoj basuba bat ki kendon ba te lakam ya ki rukom penmi ya ki marbam ki babha laishim mentalang ha kani ka program da ka assistant commissionerate ka food safety ikong DBS Mukhem bat ikong Natasha Rana ibadai officer ka food safety officer jongka East West Khasi Hills District na lor kiwei Kinong shnong jong ka tangar bat lur ringkat kinong shnong kibak markhap kilayas nok tilang ha ka jingyat pajba kabalong hene kasngi ha tangar halor ban penrem jur ya ka jingsha penyap dusmon u hebred u badang ship house nem karata bon ne kiseng bhalang ru kila penrem jur ha ka baydai bat kani ka jingja bat kila kentu ya ki bor penyat ban penyo ya ka hok na ka benta uni u hebred kumjuru ki nong shnong bat ki senjuk ba per kila dawa ban pinstat ya ka jing tokit bat ban ai jing pinshitom kat kum ka an ya ki tu ki bre ki badon kti ha ka ban penyap ya ini hebren mentang ini pet ya ka jinglong jingman ka sun beneng hanong ba shalong ka jing shit ka long khat sun point sau degree Celsius bat ka jing kriat ka long khat way point iway degree Celsius ka jing ngam ka how ka long nyau way na ka shispa men step but ka jing hap slap ka long real point kendai milimeter kala bandon ka jing hap slap ka bamalu mala hababun ki jaka shwaban poi shaka bakut jong ka thup khubor ngin ya pet biang sa shisin ya kimat bakongsan Penlut ke Sorkar Palat Arklur Tingkah hagi program bala penlong hataj bibanta bat hotel Courtyard by Marriott ong mentrudang ba ke jela ukon rat sama. Ka sorkar kan yai ai jingkashan ya ke district council Henry Kamla ban Shimpura ya ka kamram ban ai ditulok ong Menteri Rangba ka jila. Kajing temu ban bu ya ka penat penlip ding ha maurang keneng kadang ya cakmat ong usembut Menteri Rangba ka jila. Yolum ka sorkar ya ka khajna ka balong iway point south floor tingka na ka Cherry Blossom Festival tentip menteri ka tnak ikam jungok ai berthe. Bat on yale ka sorkar ban ai ki jaka ai jing sumar ka biang ha bhat dari CHC ong ka menteri ka tnak ka pot kia. Te paralok ka tu ngila poisha ka bukut jong ka thup khubor jongi menta ka janmit hadu banginde syam biang bat phi la shai kasngi khublei phi baro.